Hello and welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to do is service a lawnmower and get it ready for the summer. So this motor was fogged out a while back, and now that it's spring I'm going to show you how I get them started and ready for the summer. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw some fresh gas in. The gas has been emptied out of this particular machine, and so what we're going to do is I like to do a little pre-mix as well to get things going, because it's been a while since it's been running. So we'll throw a bit of gas in there. Don't need a whole lot. Once we get it running, then we'll get fresh regular gas, because this is a 4-stroke motor that's in this one. So we'll get this fired up. So what we're going to do is going to pull this plug on it. So there's the spark plug. The cap back on the gas here. And all we're going to do is just going to empty the cylinder. So I'm just going to pull on the cord a little bit. Get the oil out. Now I'll put the plug back in. And what I do is I just hand tighten it. I don't go nuts on it, because quite often what you got to do is you got to pull the plug back out again, like, because it'll get wet or whatever. So what we'll do now is we'll plug this in, and then we'll start the procedure of getting the gas flowing here into the carburetor. And we'll start to try to pull it here, see if we can get it going. Not good. You want to make sure all rubber mats are out of the way before you start it. So give her another whirl. Get it out of the grass here. A couple more pumps. Okay, just gotta pause it for a minute. Okay, we're back in. All I did was pull a plug, dry it, and we're gonna give it another shot here. Okay, and that's it. All you do is check your oil, make sure that's all good. And you can do an oil change at this time of year if you haven't done so already. This one, the oil change was done in the fall, so it doesn't have to be done now. And I just checked the fluid level and it's all good. So I hope this is good information for you. The key thing is to get that cylinder empty of oil, and usually then they're pretty easy to start afterwards. Hope this is good information for you. Remember, keep the mats away from the lawnmower, and good luck, and talk to you later. Bye now.